Good morning, family. I don't know what today is. Today, Wednesday, Thursday, Wednesday, I think. Well, it's cold. I'm cold. It's like we got as low as 19 degrees. I think it's about 22 now. I had to bring my trash can to the end of the road. I forgot yesterday. And I have ice covered everywhere. Trees. Look at that little plant. It's covered ice. So, and I am cold. Well, at least my limestone, it's not dangerous to walk on. I don't feel any slippery on that. On my steps, I had to put some ice salt on my steps to kind of melt some of the ice. So that helped a bit. Um, but yeah, this is nice. This is after, I don't know. I know 19, I think it went as low as 16. And yeah, I think it was the lowest 60. I think when I went to bed, I went to bed late. I was watching some old shows, and yeah, I'm watching some old shows. Just looking around here, y'all. Last winter, did see all that greenery in there. I didn't have that last year. Last year, a lot of that green stuff was the trees, the green, it had died. But this year, I remember last year I could just look out my window, out the front door, and just sit out here or look out here and see the road. And I still have a lot of greenery stuff that didn't die out because of the coldness. But yeah, I got my tree. I covered only one tree, and I checked the thing to see what's the lowest temperature that some of these plants can take. Most of them was the main or something. I know we wasn't getting down to the main or anything. Now I see it's wind. The wind is trying to pick up. See the trees are moving a bit. Not a whole lot. Okay, my car is frosted over. Got ice all on the car. Oh, there's my hand, yeah. Ice all over the car. Now walking through the grass, it was just crunch, crunch, crunch. And some of that cold, it's still crunchy, crunch, crunch. Some of that cold stuff. I got gloves on, so this camera's kind of trying to slide out my hand. I did cover my, yeah, this is that. Hold on. Look at that. I know I see it. Yeah, this is all ice. This is the tree. That's my plum tree. Oh, look. Oh my gosh. Good idea. Try to cover as much of this stuff as I can. Okay, y'all, the verdict. Pipes are frozen. Pipes are frozen. So I'm not getting water, and I messed around, and when I thought about turning the water on last night, it was too late. Wasn't nothing coming out. It was too late. Look at that. I ain't gonna step in that. I'm not trying to put my feet in all that. Look at that. Little backyard lake frozen over. I still have electricity. I put pool noodle over on some of the pipe out here on my deep well. What the hell, that's frozen over too. That's frozen too, so. Yeah, and I guess last week or so, see that tree back there? Tree down? Yeah, one fell on the property over here. My brother said he had some trees to fall too last week. Y'all look at my grass. Yeah. I wanted to cut this grass so bad. Y'all don't have any idea how bad I wanted to cut it. My apple tree. They say the apple tree is good for this temperature. So apple tree, I think it stands minus 20, I believe, is what I read. Yeah. Now the concrete stuff is not froze over. I put some rocks out on my porch here, my steps. I mean, rocks out. Yeah, that's frozen. Let me ease myself. Let me go check something right here, because I need to go in here. Because I'm going to. I'm gonna take that. Yeah, this is a blanket of ice in here. I ain't gonna mess with this. Ooh, that's slick. Look. Feet just slide right off first. I ain't finna put myself in danger. Oh, look. Yeah. So I have PCP pipe. No, PEX pipe. The red and the green. The red and blue is what's running under this area right here. They back here. They in here. Okay. The red and blue. And they probably frozen. That guy told me I didn't have to worry about them things freezing. Oh, y'all, look at my extra water. That thing is frozen. On this, what they call that, the water hose, is frozen. This rug's at the door, but I went on moved it out the way. It's more safe to do the steps than to mess with the rug. Now what I do is just ease myself. I got the door handle, so I'm just going up easy with the door handle. Oh, it's nice and toasty in here. Well, I got some really great gloves on. I got these gloves from Academy years back, and my hands are warm. And what's cold right now is my feet with these little thin shoes. And yeah, I had nerve to go out there with these thin shoes on. But my both my heaters, I got a. This is my Pelonas, the one that oscillate, and this is what they call oil field lamp. I turned that on not too long ago because I only have one heater on through the night. The front would be nice and warm, but the back would be a little cool. So let me see what the temperature inside. Okay, 26 outside and 74 out inside. No, 82 inside. 82 inside and wait a minute, hold on. Okay, sorry about that. 28 outside and 74 inside. Yeah. All right, fam. This is Ned Simple Meat Journey. I had mine. I took the pasta thing out of the oven because I put the oven on early this morning and got it all nice and toasted here. And I turned it off. But yeah, we got as low as, from what I remember before I went to bed, minus 16 was the coldest in here, minus 16. And now it's 28, so it's warming up. When it warm up, I'm gonna put some salt on that walkway for the my storage bin, and that way loosen that up, and I can go over there. And I'm gonna go and get one of those tree covers and put that over my water tank, kind of like extra protection, and see if that helps. But so far I don't have water coming in because it froze up last night. And PCP pipe's supposed to be the best pipe to use from what the little guy that did my plumbing said, but that water's frozen. That water's frozen those pipes completely. I'm more than sure because I can't get nothing in or out. You know, even I put water in the commode this morning and it filled up higher than usual and it didn't go down. Let me see if it's going down. Yeah, I'm gonna check. Because I just did that just to see. No. Wait a minute. Yeah, they have gone down a little bit. So I put warm water down and they come over. Warmer water, you know. So, but it has gone down just a little bit. So that tells me that there is those little pipes is probably frozen. So I don't know. There's no way I could have put the pool noodles on there because I have because I have those gates. I mean, I have the siding covering the pipes. I ain't gonna stress about it though. No, we ain't gonna stress about it. All right, fam. This is Nettie Simple Me Journey. Just want to come in and give y'all an update on what's going on out here. I think today is I don't know, y'all. I just been having my dates kind of mixed up or something. Heck. Look at my iPad. Okay, I can't get my iPad on. Hoping with these gloves on. Shoot. Oh, sorry about that thing, but I had to get these gloves off my hand. All right, now let me open the iPad up. See if I can tell you what day it is. All right, let's take this off. Tuesday. Today is just Tuesday. Why it seem like it's just Tuesday, 9:59 a.m. Why I feel like it's like later than the week. But I know they too because I had to put my trash can. I know, and the people hadn't came yet, so I was really fortunate they hadn't came yet. Sometimes they'll come early in the morning, sometimes they may not. So, all right. Y'all look at my little gloves. They had some stuff inside of it. They are very, very nice. These gloves, I don't know. I know there's kind of high when they regular price, but I did get them on sale. And when I say they keep my hands warm, I mean, really, my fingers did not get cold, not at all whatsoever. Hi, fam. This is Nettie Simple Me Journey. Please hit the like, subscribe, and share. And I want to thank everyone for liking, subscribing, and making comments. And I want to thank my old and my new subscribers. I really appreciate you all coming aboard, watching my channels, my videos. And I'm getting ready to release a video about the cost of the property. I've already done it. I just haven't went in town to upload it. Like I say, I'm trying to pick a day of the week that most people watch my video, so I can kind of bring up my watch hours. So I'm struggling with my watch hours right now. And I know people are watching, but for whatever reason, every week YouTube are taking away from my watch hours, y'all, every week. So I appreciate you all watching and watch my videos. Hit the like and subscribe, and y'all have an awesome, blessed day. And y'all keep warm out here in this cold weather. Bye-bye.